Example number 12.6, a wire of the given material having the length L. So here for the first wire, length is given to you L, and the cross section area, that means A, is given to you A, and resistance is given to you 4 ohm. Some of the conditions are given, like for the first wire your length is L, cross section area that is A, and resistance of 4 ohm. આટલું આપેલો છે. Now what would be the resistance of the another wire of the same material? That means this is for the wire 1, and we have one more wire, that is the another wire, that is wire 2. Now see that for wire 2 the same material is there. Now what is the meaning of material? Material means resistivity. Material means resistivity. So resistivity is same for the wire 1 and wire 2. So we can write rho 1 is equal to rho 2, that is equal to rho, because the resistivity is given as a same. Now for the second wire, for the another wire, the length is equal to L by 2. Now one more thing, wire 1 and wire 2 are there, so we need to denote in this way: L1 A1 R1, L2 A2 R2, because wire 1 and wire 2 has the different parameters. And the next thing is area of cross section. તમને area આપેલો છે A2, that is equal to what? 2A. And we need to find out what? We need to find out the resistance for the second wire, that means we need to find out R2, which is question mark. તો આટલો છે ડેટા. ડેટા બધાને ક્લિયર છે? Okay, fine. So now first of all we will find out the resistance according to the formula for the first wire. For first wire, see these are the datas L, A, R and rho. Can anyone tell me what is the formula? R is equal to what? Just now you have written R is equal to what? Which formula can be used here? R is equal. No, that is for the series. R1 plus R2 plus R3 is for the series. We need to use here. Yes, R is equal to rho into L divided by A. See the data, and according to the data we can find out the formula which can be applicable. Now R is equal to rho L by A. For first wire, for wire 1, what is the value of R? 4. Rho as it is. Why? Because resistivity is same for both the cases. L is equal to L and A is equal to A. So rho L divided by A is equal to what? 4. This is your result number 1. This is for the wire 1. Now for the wire 2. હવે બીજા વાયર માટેની આપણે વાત કરીએ, wire 2. So for wire 2, R2 is equal to what? Rho L2 divided by A2. See, rho as it is રહેશે. શું કામ? તો કે rho is equal either for the wire 1 or wire 2, it will be same. Now what is the value of L2? L divided by 2. And what is the value of A2? That is 2A. Now this 2 will come in the denominator because numerator has the denominator, that's why. So rho L and divide માં શું થઈ જશે? 2 into 2, that will be 4A. Now just check the first result. First result means what? Rho L by A. That means this one part, rho L by A. The value of rho L by A is equal to what? 4. The value for the rho L by A is given you as a 4. So in place of rho L by A, we can place the value 4, and yes, divided by 4 is as it is. So resistance 2, that means 4 divided by 4, that is equal to what? 1 ohm. એટલે કે તમારા resistance 2 ની વેલ્યુ આવી જશે 1 ohm.